Hey guys, so how can you run a C++ program using VS Code? So if you can see my screen, you can see here I'm just printing out hello world. So this is called C out, and then we are just printing out the hello world string, and then we're also printing out a new line character. So let me show you how you can run this in VS Code. You can see it's running hello world. I can change this to hello world 2, and then you can see we get hello world 2. So how can you run this in VS Code like me? So this is what I'm using is VS Code. So if you check out on the folders, we do have the program itself is running on the start.c++. So this is the start.c++ file. And then beneath, above that, I have a run.sh. So this is the script. So this script is what is running the compiler, so G++, and then it compiles the file, and then after compiling it, it compiles it to a file called a.out, and then we execute this a.out. So manually, this is what you have to do. So you have to do let me change this. So hello world 3, save, and then what we need to do here is G++, and then start.cpp. We first run that, and then the next step is to run this output. So we can run it by saying pods can say out a.out, and then you can get the same thing. But if you use the script run.sh, then it does that all together. So how do you do that? So I have some instructions here. I hope you can see them. So the first instruction is how to run C++ in VS Code. The first thing is to install the GCC library. So here are the instructions. So in case you're using Windows, you need to install either WSL so that you can follow along, or this mean GW, mean Goa. So I think this comes with git bash. Then if you're in MacBook, you need to install GCC using brew. And then if you are in Linux, you need to install this using sudo apt install G++. Or else, if you'd like, you could use the second command here. So sudo apt install, you can see this, the highlighted. So sudo apt install build essential, which installs the GCC, G++, make exactly. So GCC is used for compiling C programs. This one is used for C++ programs. So you can use either. Next thing is that you need to create a file called run.sh. This is not mandatory. This is optional. So the run.sh is this file right here. So this is the run.sh, which essentially runs the two steps together. Right. And the next thing is that you need to make, so this one, yes. So you need to make this file executable by running chmod plus x run.sh. Make sure it can be executed. And then finally you write your code and then run the run.sh to build and run. And that's what we are doing. So what do you think about those steps? Let me know in the comments.